On your mark, get set, go.
In this timed exercise, these kids are placing pieces on the game board. How long does it take to put all the pieces in the right places? It doesn't matter. As long as each time they do this, it takes less time. The game is chess.
Not for the sake of learning to play the game, but for the sake of developing those early learning skills that help them accomplish the kindergarten readiness objectives.
Elliot Neff is the founder of Chess for Life, a chess advocacy group that's been around getting kids hooked on the game for years. But now there's a new focus in Washington, teaching the game to 3- and 4-year-olds.
It's not really about chess, even though they do learn to play. It's the concepts.
All right, there you go. Boom.
That boom was a victory cry from a 4-year-old. Now, he doesn't quite know the game just yet, nor does his teacher at Highline College's Early Learning Center.
Most of the moves, I mean, I know them, but I don't know them all well. So I'm learning a lot with the kids as we go along.
Again, playing the game isn't the point.
Not only were we seeing some improvements in math, but it was really the social emotional development that we were also seeing.
Katie Warren is the deputy director at the Washington State Association of Head Start. She says this chess program will be rolled out to more early learning programs next year because of what it's teaching kids.
That ability to take turns, that ability to focus.
Elena, do you like to play chess?
Yes.
Do you know how many pieces there are on the chessboard?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There's the math component. Check.
All right, good job.
There's the social skills development. Checkmate. Brian Calvert, Como News.